So I would describe Hampton as amazing founders, really good connectivity, and great access to knowledge.
Hampton really scales trust by having their founders vet every single applicant that comes through in the final stage.
Hampton is a place where ambition is appreciated, ambition is encouraged, and you can go there and you can find your people very quickly.
Today, it's a unique event. It's amazing to see that to be a really good founder and entrepreneur, you really have to take care of your body and your mind. I love the community. It's been amazing. I met probably more than 100 people in person by now in the last 3 years.
This is Hampton, where founders get better together.